What a beautiful morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the garden is
a mess.
Mom, why do we have to do this every Saturday? Can't we hire a robot?
Because, Peter, hard work is good for the soul. And look at your dad. He is having fun.
Ouch! My shovel. It hit something hard.
Maybe it's a rock, Dad. Or a giant potato.
No! This sound was metallic, like gold. Or a pirate chest.
David, don't be silly. There are no pirates in our backyard.
Wait. I see something. It is silver. It is round.
It looks like a metal box.
Behold, the lost treasure of the English family.
Let me see that. It's a time capsule. Look, there is a date on it. March 10, 2010.
2010? That was 16 years ago. I wasn't even born yet.
This is amazing! We must open it. Maybe there is a secret map inside.
I remember this. David, we buried this when we first moved into this house. Did we?
I don't remember. I can't even remember what I had for breakfast.
Let's open it. Where is the key?
Oh no. It's not a key. It's a combination lock. 3 numbers.
1, 2, 3. That's my password for everything. 0, 0, 0, 9, 9, 9.
Dad, that's not gonna work. We need clues.
Wait, I remember there was a note. I put it inside a blue envelope and hid it somewhere in the house in case we forgot the code.
Attention. Detective D and Agent P are back on duty.
Here we go again.
Okay, the blue envelope. Where would a 2010 Emma hide a blue envelope?
I liked reading books back then. Maybe in the library?
We don't have a library, Mom. We have a bookshelf with 500 books.
To the bookshelf. Move, move, move.
Search every page.
Search
every cover.
Dictionary of Ancient History? Too boring.
Look for a book about memories or time.
I found it. Cooking with Love. This must be it.
The first number is the age of the house when we bought it.
Easy. I know this. We bought the house in 2008. The house was built in 2000.
So, 2008 minus 2000 is?
8.
The first number is 8. Write it down, Agent P.
What's next on the note?
The second number is hidden where the water never stops, but you never get wet.
Water never stops? The shower?
Water never stops, but you never get wet.
A painting. The painting of the waterfall in the hallway.
The whole family runs into the hallway, where there is a large waterfall painting.
Look behind the frame. Nothing here but dust.
Wait. Look, Southwat. Look at the bottom corner of the painting.
It's a 5.
Brilliant. 8. Hide. 5, and 1 more to go.
The final number is... oh no, the ink is faded. I can't read it.
Oh dear, the paper is too old. The last sentence is gone.
N-O.
We are so close. We have 8 and 5. The last number could be anything from 0 to 9. H-E-L-P. We are stuck.
Hello, everyone. While Detective D and Agent P are crying, let's take a break. We are the English family. We hope you are enjoying this mystery.
Do you know the last number? Is it 1? Is it 7?
If you want to see us open this box, you know what to do.
Smash that like button.
Wait, what? No! No!
And don't forget to subscribe. We make these videos to help you practice English listening. Tell us in the comments, what would YOU put in a time capsule? A phone? A sandwich? A toy?
Okay, let's try every number. 850. 851. I give up. My fingers hurt.
Wait a minute. Mom, look at the back of the blue envelope. What is it, honey?
There is a riddle. How many people were in this family in 2010?
In 2010? It was just me and your dad. Peter wasn't here yet.
So, when the number is 2?
Let's try it.
Y-E-S! We are the masters of the universe!
Let's see what's inside. Look. This is my old Nokia phone. It's so small.
And look at this. A photo of me with hair. I had so much hair in 2010.
Wow, Dad, you look like a rock star.
What happened?
Life happened, son. Life happened.
This is a letter we wrote to our future selves.
Dear future David and Emma, we hope you are still happy. We hope the world has flying cars now.
Sorry, Dad, no flying cars yet.
But we have something better. We have a son who helps us solve mysteries.
Wait, there is one more thing at the bottom.
Oh, I remember this.
Is it a diamond? No.
It's the first coin I ever earned at my first job. I saved it for a special day.
That is so sweet, David.
This was fun. We should make a NEU time capsule for 2040.
Great idea! But what should we put in it?
My favorite wooden spoon. Oh,
My old video game controller.
And a photo of us today.
But wait, where is the new box?
we can use this old metal box. We just need to clean it.
And we need a new code. A harder one.
How about 991? 91. Because it's the number of times I failed to open the last box.
Thank you for joining our adventure today.
Learning English is like a treasure hunt. Sometimes it's hard to find the clues, but when you do, it's wonderful.
Keep practicing every day. Watch our videos, listen to the words, and speak out loud.
What should we bury in our next video? Tell us your ideas.
And now, Detective D needs a nap. Investigating is exhausting.
And Agent P needs a snack.
Okay, let's go have some cake.
Cake? Did someone say chocolate cake?
Here we go again.
Goodbye. See you in the future.